Hi, Joe here at Intelligent Labor and Moving. Today I'm just going to give you a quick little rundown on a safe way to pack anything like knives or sharp objects that you don't want sticking through the box. So you want to start with a scrap piece of cardboard like this. I'm going to crease it. That way you're ready to fold it right over and you're not forcing the tips of the knives against it. You want to line up all the tips on that crease. That way you can fold this right over. Then you want to keep this on here tight so the knives aren't going to fall out. So you can use tape, or I like to use stretch wrap. Around this way, then around this way. Now you have a safe little package, no sharp edges, nothing's going to poke through the box. Hope that helps.